Have you ever dreamt about foundation that will be enough for your whole life? Or about eyeshadow that fits into a matchbox? Watch miniature and giant makeup to meet any taste in our new video. Here you go! I have run out of my foundation again. All of a sudden, my old friend from Alice in Wonderland appears next to me. She walked her dog and put on a baseball hat so that the paparazzi wouldn't recognize her. Alice gets down to business at once. Voila! I've got gigantic foundation in my hands. Paint a big jar in cream color from the inside. Paint and cut out a makeup brand logo and glue it to the side of the jar. Trace the lid on a piece of extruded polystyrene foam. Cut it out. Cut 2 smaller circles and a rectangular nozzle out of the extruded polystyrene foam. Hot glue the biggest circle to the lid. Put together and hot glue the dispenser. Cut in half a plastic bottle of an appropriate size. Attach the dispenser to the lid. Try the clear bottle cap on. Excellent! Cover the dispenser. Attach double-sided tape to the bottom part and fasten a strip of a foam rubber sheet to the tape. Put the dispenser on the jar. Cover the rest with black acrylic paint and put a clear cap with the light top on. The foundation is so enormous! It will last for a long time. But how should I apply it? Shall I dip my face directly into the jar? Alice has the solution. She claps her hands and a giant sponge appears in her hands. Make a circle on a sleeping pad. Cut it out and paint both sides with light acrylic paint. I can apply the foundation to my entire body with a makeup sponge like this. I just touch my face with it, and the foundation is applied as if by itself. We put the foundation on our faces and hands. We can actually apply it to everything around us. Alice tries her best and conjures… Oops! What is this tiny thing? These are mini makeup pencils. Cut the slanted ends off orange wood sticks. Cover one end with black acrylic paint. Leave the sharp end unpainted. Make the second stick silver. Do not paint the sharp end of this one either. Paint the tip of the silver pencil pink. And paint the tip of the black pencil black. Attach the corresponding nail stickers to the pencils. The silver one is a lip liner and the black one is an eye pencil. I take the lip liner. It is so tiny. I define my lips with it. I should be careful not to confuse it with a toothpick. Alice herself sometimes fails to find the tiny eye pencil. It can blend in with its surroundings. All of my lip glosses and lipsticks are so pale. I want something bright. Alice conjures desperately, but it seems to be for nothing. Oh, what is this nice thing in my makeup bag? It's a cute lipstick miniature. It turns out that Alice has succeeded, but this time the makeup appeared not in her hands, but right in my makeup bag. Take off a clear cap of a lipstick tester. Make a silver edge on it. Cover the rest of the cap with black acrylic paint. Decorate the top with a plastic rose. The lipstick is tiny, but it does its job perfectly. Now I look as bright as a rose. I am missing one detail for a fabulous makeup. I need to emphasize my eyes, but what should